this conference provided so much information, but also just as many tools that I can take home and actually put into use.
I came in thinking a lot of these things were just general purpose tools and still not connected, but they are already customizable. They are already able to quickly glean knowledge from me, and I can customize it and make an application very, very quickly.
You've got a futurist thinker, you've got someone who has a very, very deep knowledge of how AI works, and a very deep knowledge of how marketing works. You combine all of those together and you get Mark the Grass.
That's what I love about what we're learning from him. He's actually taking what our staff knows and he's enhancing it, times 10. That's the beauty of the program and the partnership that I love.